Hey, my name is Alain Bossé, better known as the Kilted Chef. I am so excited to be part of the Subaru team, and we are live in Halifax today for this first ever Subaru Master Cook-Off. They have no idea what the ingredients are. It's going to be really exciting. And they have an array of equipment they could use and not allowed to use. It's going to be a fun day.
Let's go!
Contestants will have about 45 minutes to prepare and present their plate to the judges. Their plates are being judged on taste, visual appeal, creativity, and the use of the mystery ingredient. Ingredient number one is feta. Ingredient number one is feta in the brine. Okay? Ingredient number two, cooked beets.
Okay, all right.
Curveball, baby. Cooked beets with the juices.
Yeah.
And the protein is beef tenderloin.
Oh, man.
So you each have beef tenderloin. So in your box, there is 3 ingredients so far.
Okay.
Beets, feta,
Yes.
and beef tenderloin.
Okay.
So beef tenderloin, do not worry, it's super tender. Nova Scotia products all the way. Good luck. You've got 5 minutes.
Okay. Hi, I'm Patsy Tremblett. I'm the general manager at Subaru of Charlottetown.
Hi, I'm Brian Younker, Finance and Insurance Manager at Subaru in Charlottetown.
I am so nervous about this competition. I really only cook for my family in my kitchen, and that is it.
I don't cook very often, a little bit at home. I enjoy it. Can't say I'm very good at it. And yeah, I'm feeling super excited.
Matt Wilneff, General Manager, Steele Subaru.
My name's John Owen. I've been cooking for probably around 7 years. I used to work at El Mercado in Bedford.
Super excited about this competition. I really hope that Bob's team wins because we're going out afterwards and I want to make sure that he's in a good mood.
All right, I'm Bob Withers, General Manager at Subaru of Moncton.
I'm Krista Delaney. I'm marketing with Bob at Subaru of Moncton.
They're gunning for me today. These guys don't stand a chance. I'm telling you, Matt tried to take in his secret weapon. I got my secret weapon right here. I've got the best sous chef in New Brunswick right here.
Now, chefs, we will draw names. We have 3 names in the cup. To who gets to go first to pick their first ingredient.
All of the garlic. And I'm taking all of the herbs.
You have to pick 3 ingredients. Grab and bring them to your table and run. Bob's got green onions, olives, and celery, a pancetta, onions, and badass. We got wine. We have wine. We have wine. We need 2 more.
2 more?
2 more.
I got
3 in total. And shallot. Go! All right, we've got things all lined up. All very excited. You can throw the box way on the floor. Right? So you got your tenderloin, your feta, and your beets.
All right, so everyone's in this on.
Not yet. We're not going to start cooking until 20 minutes.
And once that butter's melted, then it's going to rinse. And then once you get a nice sear on it, we're going to turn it down. We're going to add these.
Oh, wait, no, this is off. Oh, I'm in for using power.
Difficulty, we have no power at the Charlottetown team, so we're going to give them 2 extra minutes.
I need more than 2 extra minutes.
Some sabotage happening. There's rumors around the table that Moncton unplugged Charlottetown's extension cord. Is that true?
That is absolutely not true. We never do that, my friend Matt.
Contestants are allowed to trade ingredients back and forth, but The other team can also refuse to trade.
Wouldn't mind having some time. You have no feelings, bud. What are you talking about? Feel bad. Your one feeling is hurt or bad? How do we put in another request for some hurt?
Try your burger? No.
Pardon the pun, but I like to have some time if we have it.
Like that. What are you willing to trade?
What do we got? We got some celery, we got arugula, we got some tomato, we got some olives.
So can they pick anything
They
off
can
the
pick
table?
something from there.
Halifax, consult from Moncton. They are looking for a little bit of time, pardon the pun.
I'm not wearing a watch, Bob.
And
I'm not wearing a watch.
trade, they are willing to offer pretty well anything you want.
I'll give them 4 sprigs of thyme if we can have
green onion.
if we can have half their arugula.
Fine, sir. Nice sear on their beef.
Let's face it, when I went up chose ingredients, I was thinking about sabotaging the whole time.
As they work on their dish, I might throw a curveball at them. I have a trick up my sleeve. So you are now being given 1/4 ingredient, but here's the curveball. Halifax team, Moncton team, Charlottetown, you're inherited a bag of Fruit Loops. You gotta make it fit on the plate somehow. Fruit Loops it is. Good luck.
Okay.
So Matt, I picked the Fruit Loops just because I know you love Fruit Loops.
I like Fruit Loops, yeah.
Yeah.
I don't know what we're gonna do with them, but we'll figure it out.
Chef is willing to trade a handful of Fruit Loops that he sugars them for a bride. Anybody interested to take the bride? There. Patsy said before you did. All right. So I'm going to take a handful of Fruit Loops, and what's the bride?
I would like to have 2 uncooked, please.
Go for it. The judges are peeking around as the contestants are still working on their dish.
Bob, what's the story over here?
Story over here.
What's the food story?
I'm Sara from Dashboard Living, and I'm super excited to be here. I'm hungry, and I'm excited to try some delicious food from some talented home cooks.
The food story is we've got some tenderloin, which we're searing here with a little bit of butter, garlic, and some thyme. We're gonna base it in that. We're gonna make a pasta salad.
Do you have a plan for those Fruit Loops?
Oh yeah, we're playing. We're playing the hit.
What are we making today? Hello, my name is Chef Ivan Chan, and I'm the chef owner of the Orient Chinese Cuisine. I was 2020 Nova Scotia Canadian Culinary Championship gold medal winner, so I have no shortage of competition experience.
We're trying to get in preparation for a really nice seared steak, and I think we're gonna have a little salad accompanying that.
Okay.
Incorporate the Fruit Loops into some sort of vinaigrette.
Okay.
See how that goes.
The beets in the salad, yes? Yeah. Are you a beet fan? You're the only one, apparently. I am Deana. I am a member of the Kilted Chef Brigade. I'm a home cook, and I love cooking.
That's pretty good. I'm just gonna kind of let that. Well, that's what I'm worried about. But you do, nobody would trade us any garlic, so I got to do what I got to do. You know, I'll remember the next time the phone call rings. I need your cross track there, and I'm gonna send it with 4 flat tires, or maybe no tires at all.
I was looking for a meat thermometer.
Raise your hand.
Yes.
Right? You take your index finger.
Right.
You touch the palm of your hand.
Okay.
So that's rare. The texture rare.
Okay. So let me.
If you bring your index, now
Yes.
you touch it, it's medium rare. finger. Now see how it's a little harder? So that's medium. The next finger is medium well, and the pinky is well done.
Wow.
We want to do a special thank you to the judges for taking their time, of course, out of the busy schedule to come over. So we wanted to baptize them and throw at them a little bit of Subaru swag. So
I thought I'm getting an Outback or something.
yes, they might be.
Yeah, you saying that.
You never know.
Outbacks for everybody, that's right. Awesome.
All right, I don't know how else to say this. This has really been a lot of fun. I think it's great that we've come together and we use some simple ingredients and how every single one of you guys have come up with something totally different. And that's the beauty. And what we're really looking for was the creativity of how well you use the surprised ingredient. So here are the results from our judges. And first up, in third place, is Subaru Moncton. There's a gift certificate from Ivan Chan's restaurant for you to enjoy while you're here. And the comments from the judges were, because I wanted to make this really an experience to learn from. So one of the experience, first thing, the lack of creativity on the Fruit Loops. Sorry, everybody else incorporated it in the recipe. This was a garnish. Overall winner, winning the cup, the bragging cup, is what we have. And I must say, this will really surprise the heck out of you guys, but it's only separated by 10 points between Halifax and Charlottetown. And the grand prize winner, winning the cup and a Kilted Chef cutting board, is the Halifax team. Congratulations. The judges' comments, the beef was perfectly cooked, and the use of the Fruit Loop in the salad dressing was very creative. So hands off to both guys for a great job. But here's what's kind of cool. The Charlottetown team, not only did they not have power for the first 10 minutes or so, they were not sure what they were doing and turned their meal into something spectacular. Here's some of the judges' comment. Best use of the extra ingredient in the omelet. So way to go on that. The second thing that's kind of cool is the fact that your steak, even though I teamed you up and said, give you a few tips as you were going, it was well cooked perfectly. Because I know you're a new person in the culinary world, this is from my own personal collection. So this is my knife to you to keep on cooking, because I think you've gone to something. Congratulations, everybody. That is well played. So give it up for And we have it. We're teaming up and getting ready for next year. We cannot wait.